Hey guys, welcome to Fitness with Priyanka.
Today we are going to do exercises which will firm your abs,
Give you a nice small waist and will tone your belly fat. So let's get started. Lie down on the mat. So what you're going to do is take your legs in a tabletop with your hips and knees in one line. Now slowly start dropping your leg. Just touch it to the ground and come up. Drop it, touch it to the ground and come up. Keep going. Feel your muscles, feel your core. Keep them tight. That makes a lot of difference where your muscle is and where your mind is. So focus on the area where you're working on. Let's go for 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. Keep your legs down and relax. Okay. So now we'll be moving on to our next exercise. You'll straighten your leg. Now simply you will take both your legs up first. Try to keep them as straight as possible, but if it is not possible for you, then you can bend it. But as much as possible, try to keep them straight. Now we are going to take our one leg down. Just again touch it to the ground and come up. So we are moving on to our second exercise. We'll do one leg at a time. Try to keep your leg straight. Again, don't transfer the weight of your leg to the ground. Okay, let's start. We are doing with only one leg just to start with. 2, 3, 4, keep your belly tight. 5, 6, 7, 8, just touch and come up. 9, 10, give me 5 more, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and 1. Keep your legs up, keep them straight. I know it's tough, but keep going. You're going to yield the results. Keep your legs straight. Hold on to this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's start with the other leg. Just touch it and come up. 2, 3, 4, 5, come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, last one, and 1, relax. Now to do leg raises, if you feel a lot of discomfort and if you feel that your back is peeling off the ground or off the mat, you will make this triangle shape and you will put it below your hips just to give yourself a support. So let's start. If you want to keep your hands beside you and increase the intensity, if you're comfortable without making a triangle below your hip, you can go ahead and do it along with me. So let's start with the leg up and let's go. Come on. 1. Try to keep your legs straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, come on, 5 more, 5, 4, come on, don't give up, 3, 2, last one, hold it there at a 45 degree or a 60 degree, whichever is comfortable for you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. It was really difficult. It is, right? Just to ease your back, we are going to do some rolling. That means you're going to hug your knees and you're going to just roll, just to massage your back in the reverse direction so that there are no back pains. A very good exercise for back pain, a very comforting and a soothing exercise. Go side to side. And relax. Okay, so you can do this exercise and repeat this entire sequence 2 to 3 times to get maximum effect and maximum results. Do this exercise at least 2 to 3 times in a week and you will see the difference in your core, you will see the difference in your waist. So thank you so much everyone, thank you.